Hey guys, Ankit Mehta here, and today I'm going to show you a quick demo of Sendly, world's most powerful cloud-based messaging platform that combines the power of Messenger, bots, SMS and email all under one central dashboard. Just log in, and inside the dashboard you can get an overview about your subscriber, how your campaigns are performing. Okay, let's start connecting with an account. Go to import page and you have to click on login with Facebook. It will fetch the list of all the pages that you want to manage with Sendly, and just click on enable bot connection and you can start using the Sendly with the respective page. So let's start with a chatbot. You have to go to bot settings and here you can see your pages. You can create an add reply bot, give it a name, provide some keywords that you want that bot to trigger. For example, if you want to send a buy now button, if someone asks for buy or price or something, you can add multiple keywords here. You can send them image reply, video, audio, text with buttons, generative template, carousel, media or one-time notification. Just enter your message here. You can even personalize it and just click on submit. There are a few other options. For example, if you want to change the settings, like when someone interacts with your page for the first time, do you want to show them a get started button or not? What should be the welcome message here? And if you want to start some icebreakers, just type your question, select add a template here, and that will start you to break the ice with your subscriber or the potential buyers. You can change more settings here. Like if you want to customize it with chat with human button, you can give it an email. You can integrate it with any SMS platform. For example, Twilio and other platforms, you can integrate it with multiple email autoresponders. You can set the email reply, email subject and other things here. You can even put them in a sequence using the API connection without using any other external tool. So here you can send them multiple reply templates, like for email quick reply, phone quick reply, birthdays, chat with human and more. You can add a persistent menu, so if you want to show some FAQs or some options that you want to show consistently to your subscribers, you can set that from here. You can set messenger sequences too, like what you want to send on the first day, on 30 minutes, on 1 hour, on 2 hours, 3 hours. You can set them all. And if you want to send them non-promotional, what you want to send on 1 day, 2 days, 3rd day, you can add more days here. Okay, so if you want to set Facebook comment automation, go to comment reply and here you can create a new comment template and set automations from here. Your pages will be here, your posts will be here. You can customize here. Enable auto reply to send a commenter personal message, or enable auto comment to automatically reply to all the comments here. So, and there are OTN broadcasts, one-time broadcasts that you can send to your subscriber within 24 hours window. Create campaign and you can set the page here. You can target your audience by the gender, time zone, locale. What should be your message template here. You can even schedule it for the later time, and if you want to send a non-promo message that you can send at any time, just click on create campaign and you can select your page here, select your message tag, what you want to send them, account update or confirmed event update or post purchase update. You can target them by label, their gender, time zone, locale, and there is autoresponder integration so that you can collect all the leads right inside your favorite autoresponder, be it in MailChimp, Sendinblue, ActiveCampaign, Mautic or SL Mail. There are a lot. Okay, let's start with email marketing. Just go to create email campaigns and here you can create an email campaign that should be a normal. It can be a rich text with HTML with personalized tag, or you want to use the drag and drop editor. You can select your SMS API that you can connect in the settings, and in fact you can even target your subscriber based on the pages. How cool is that? Okay, so if you want to create some SMS campaigns, you can go here, give it a name, what is your message, and if you want to target by messenger, you can set it from here. How many contacts you want to send it to. You can even upload a custom CSV for all your contacts here, and you can add country code to all the subscribers or can remove the country codes. It's all up to you. You can find all your leads here, and there are tutorials and support, so it's a wholesome experience. There are a lot of tutorial videos right inside the dashboards that will help you to create the bots and email campaigns or set up the comment campaigns or send SMS, and there are more than 100 features inside Sendly.